Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to leave a term or channel in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the top left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the activity, community, the chat, and the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and leave a team or channel in Microsoft Teams. So leaving a team or channel in Microsoft Teams is pretty straightforward. And here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Microsoft Teams, so launch the Teams app on your desktop or web browser, and go to the team or channel you want to leave. Then click on more options. So click on the three dots next to the team or channel name. After you have, of course, found the team channel that you want to go and leave, select the, of course, leave the team or leave the channel from the drop-down menu. And that's basically that. When you click on the button, you will, of course, leave the team or channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.